Hi guys, welcome to my first video. That sounded really UI then. Welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to be doing a TikTok trend that I saw obviously on TikTok, and it's basically where you do your makeup but you mix it up a little bit. So first you start with moisturiser, which is what I have here. It's the number 7. It's one with 50 SPF in basically to help me get no wrinkles. Put this on, it's probably way too much because I always put too much on. What I like about this one though, it's like not normal, like it's obviously SPF, but sun cream usually if you put too much on then you're a ghost, whereas this one rubs in quite nicely. And now you see my face goes red because I've been touching it. So then she says to go in with powder, so I use the Rimmel London Match Perfection. Ooh, if I can open it. Not too much though, so this feels very odd. Although this is how I used to do my makeup when I was in school. I literally just put moisturiser on, a bit of powder, and some eyeshadow. Maybe some eyeliner if I fancied it. Oh, by the way, I've got really oily skin, so I'm surprised to see if this will work, because usually I have to touch up with powder throughout the day. So that's a little bit and not too much. There we go, my face is a little bit matte. And next she said spray your face with setting spray. Okay. So I've got the Urban Decay All-Nighter, which it looks a bit gross because I keep it in my makeup bag. I just wait for that to dry. That's what I will do. That's when a fan will come in handy. For a mirror I'm using my Kiko bronzer. It's quite chunky. And obviously it's got a mirror in it, which I'm also going to use for my bronzer as well because it's great. And it smells really good. Right, so for my primer I've got the Barry M Unicorn Primer Drops Beauty Excellent, which is almost gone. Need to get some more, but you know, quarantine life. Oh, come on. It's gonna take a while. You put on your face, they just run out when you try and get them out of the bottle. Fail already, isn't it? Right, that's gonna have to be enough because I'm not gonna sit all day trying to get primer out. So dab that over my face, rub that in. Oh, it definitely wasn't enough. It's dried up already. So then you do your makeup as normal. So foundation. So I got the Max. I've got the MAC. Studio Fix Fluid in SPF. Oh, it's got SPF 15 in it. That's cool. And I've got it in this shade NC15. Put that all over my face. Dab that all over. It's looking a bit more matte than usual, but looks like it's all blended. So we're going with my concealer, which I use the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. It's a bit thick for my liking, but it's got really good coverage, so. Plus you'll need the tiniest bit. I'm gonna stop there, otherwise I'll be here all day. Blend, 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 blend. Oh, that's going to be weird. Seems to be like clumping up a bit. To be honest, making my pores look huge, so I mean, and it's all like clung to my moustache. If you wanted to exaggerate that you've got a moustache, I mean, if it was natural, we all have. Oh well, fuck it, I'm not going out today, so carry on as usual. Oh, this is going to be weird to see how this goes, because otherwise if it all sticks in a clump on my face, I won't be able to fix it. Now I'm gonna bronze. And all my brushes, and all my hairs, my brush are falling out. Oh, my eyes are creasing loads underneath as well. I don't know if you can like see that, which makes me look older than I am. Oh, my moustache is really annoying me. And then my blush, I use the tiniest bit of Rimmel Maxi blush. So it's just a powder blush, and it's in 003 Wildcard. I literally use a tiny bit and tap it off loads. Like, try and blend it back a bit. And that's literally all I want to put on. Oh, okay, and then I put way too much on. Oh god. Oh well. Oh. Like, I'm either gonna have to. Hello, no one invited you. I'm either gonna have to put more blush on this side, or just deal with it. It looks like it has just like. Oh, it's all clumping up on my nose as well. See that? Oh, this just isn't looking good. And that blusher isn't moving at all, it's all like clumped here. So maybe that was the problem. Maybe I didn't use more blusher. Maybe it was just that it's clumping up because I haven't powdered. Yep, I'll stick with that. Ooh, I'm gonna drop that on the floor. So I've got this Revolution Makeup, Revolution London. Revolution little palette is, I don't know, is an Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. So it's got a bronzer, a highlighter and a blusher. This used to be literally my bronzer, highlighter and blush, but I found the blush was a bit too shimmery for my liking and I didn't really want a shimmery blush. And then saying that, the bronzer wasn't shimmery basically. So I obviously bought a shimmery bronzer that like you can build up and it's like a nice colour. For now, I just use the highlighter out of it because it's the only highlighter I have. So I usually put highlighter here. Just stopped recording for no reason. Also, I was taking too long trying to concentrate on my eyebrows. What even is this? Oh, they're awful. Oh well. My mascara's dry. Oh. Or not. I'm gonna have to get a face wipe. 2 seconds. Okay, this is really hard to not put this down on clean bed sheets. Open. Face wipes. Such a waste of a face wipe. And thankfully they are simple biodegradable cleansing wipes which are kind to skins. So usually it depends what I'm going to be doing for the day to what mascara I use. So I've got yeah, my lash, oh, it's still gross, my L'Oreal Lash Paradise one, just that one. Or if I'm going out then I've got my the Mascara Revolution by Makeup Revolution. Well, it's just called Revolution now. And what usually happens is I get mascara all over my eyelid just to make sure that my lashes look good. I mean, this is my good eye anyway. My lashes usually, they like naturally curl up, they naturally spider out, it's brilliant. But you'll see when I go onto my left eye, they don't like to do that. So this is the eye that stresses me out. Wish me luck. Also, you notice I can't talk about doing mascara. Well, I can kind of from my left eye. No chance. I don't want to jinx it, but today might be the day it kind of behaves. Okay, we'll leave it as that because I don't want to put too much on. Oh, my eyes just look so old and wrinkly. It's not what I want. I'm just going to leave it there. I don't want to put too much on today because going out to impress the neighbours on a run. So I wait for that to dry and then I'll go in with a cotton bud and just get rid of all the dry mascara that's around my eyes. Keep hydrated. It feels like it's almost dry, so what I'll do, I just have a look. It's not too bad. I feel like I'm looking a lot more orange, like this way as well. I look like I'm wearing a lot more makeup. I could put my lipstick on one of me. I just picked out some that I had in my little lipstick bag. And this one is a MAC one. So this one is Cream Sheen Peach Blossom or Creme Sheen. I don't know, C-R-E-M-E. That's creme, isn't it? But yeah, it's like a really nice little pink. Like it might not go. Well, I'm wearing a pink top, so I don't know. It'll go. My cheeks are freaking pink. Oh, yeah, that might be way too pink. Oh, I should have wiped the foundation off my lips before. Yeah, that looks really patchy. You don't want to put too much on there because then I look like a Barbie doll. I'm going to change that colour. Oh, that moustache is just really gross. This is my Maybelline. It's just one I made earlier. I just had it sat by my side because it was in my makeup bag. The only thing I don't like about this one though is if it, some days I can really get on with it and it stays on really nicely and that, but other days I put it on and it kind of like is sticky and then I end up eating it, which isn't nice. I have to sit with my mouth like open, otherwise it like sticks together. But my eyelashes feel like they're pretty much dry, so I'll go in with the cotton bud. Just rub that off. And yeah, I get it everywhere. Oh my god, my eyebrows are awful. I don't know why I even tried to go in with pencil. Oh well, this is me. Oh god. My forehead is creasing up really bad. Usually I'll be able to powder that down and it wouldn't do it as bad, but you know, I'm only human and I'm getting older, you know, I'm halfway to 50, so I'm gonna get wrinkles. That cheek's just awful, it's not blended out at all. This isn't too bad. Oh well. See how this wears, and I suppose I'll check back in with you in a bit. As well after my run, because that'll be when I'm getting sweaty and that, so let's see whether it, you know, actually stays on my face. Sorry, I forgot to say, the time is now 3:30. I'll check back in maybe in about 2 hours or so. Yeah, in about 2 hours I'll be going on my run, so yeah, after that I'll check back in. Obviously the lighting will be different. I'll probably shoot it from a different angle because we'll be losing daylight then. Or will we? Oh no, the clock's changed. If I've got enough lighting, you'll see me in this position. If not, you'll see me in a different one. So, I'll see you in a bit. Hi, so I am back from my run. It's now 7:15, and to be honest, I haven't noticed any difference really, other than I look really cakey. Which I don't really like to go for. I'm not any greasier than normal. I've got a bit of shine on my nose and that. I mean, actually saying that, to be honest, I'm not as greasy. Definitely more cakey though. I don't know, I just don't like how cakey it looks and how thick it feels. Like when I was running, I got past a couple of people running as well, and I felt really silly having like a full face of makeup running. But I know it looks okay from a distance, I suppose. Yeah, I think it's just a really cakey way of putting makeup on, whereas I like quite a lighter base because I'm quite oily and I've got big pores. I find that if I put too much makeup on, then it sinks into my pores, and the oiliness just makes it look like really cakey, and I love cake, but not this kind of cake. Not a fan. I think I'll stick to the way that I usually do makeup in a normal routine. Also, I noticed when I was just editing the first bit of this video that it did actually cut out when I was doing my highlighter and starting my brows, and I was basically explaining where I put my highlighter, which is my cheeks, obviously my nose, tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow and my brow bone, and then I put a little bit of bronzer as eyeshadow just to give myself a little bit of colour, and then that was it basically. Then you just saw me messing up my eyebrows, which I always do. So yeah, that's it from me. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for watching. If you've stuck to now, then that's great. Thank you very much. Give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. I will be uploading, I haven't decided on days yet, but I will just be uploading as and when for now, and then once I get into the hang of this like routine, then obviously I'll upload on certain days, but I'll keep you updated with that information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.